Good morning students. Welcome to Maths online classes. Today topic powers and exponents continuous. Exercise 1.6 continuous. Question number 7. Solve for x. First one, 2 power 2x minus 1 by 2 power x plus 2 is equal to 4. Solution, given equation 2 power 2x minus 1 divided by 2x 2 power x plus 2 is equal to 4. That is equal to, using this formula, a power m by a power n is equal to a power m into a power minus n formula. Okay, right. 2 power 2x minus 1 into 2 power minus of x plus 2 is equal to 4. Base is equal to 2. Same 2 power 2x minus 1 minus multiply minus x minus 2 is equal to 4. Next, 2 power 2x minus x is equal to x. 2 power x minus 1 minus 2 is equal to minus 3 is equal to 4 is equal to 2 power 2. That is equal to 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Okay, right. 2 power 2. Base equal. So power equal. X minus 3 is equal to 2. X is equal to 2. Minus 3 bring the right side plus 3. Sign change plus 3. That is equal to x is equal to 5. X is equal to 5. Okay, right. Next. Question number 8th Roman. Find using exponents. First one, 6054.321. Solution, given exponents 6054.321 is equal to 6000 plus 0 plus 50 plus 4 plus decimal part 3 by 10th plus 2 by 100th plus 1 by 1000th. Okay, that is equal to 6000, 6 into 1000, 6000. 0 value, no value, neglect. Plus 50 is equal to 5 into 10 plus 4 into 1, 4 plus 3 by 10 value 3 into 10 to the power minus 1 plus 2 into 100 is equal to 100 square, 10 power minus 2 plus 1 into 10 power minus 3. 100 is equal to 10 power 3, power change 10 power minus 3. Okay, next. 1000 is equal to 10 into 10 into 10. That is equal to 10 power 3. 6 into 10 power 3 plus 5 into 10 power 1 plus 4 into 10 power 0. 10 power 0 value 1. Anything power 0 is equal to 1. 10 power 0 is equal to 1. Okay, right. Plus 3 into 10 power minus 1 plus 2 into 10 power minus 2 plus 1 into 10 power minus 3. Okay. Next question, 9th one. Find the numbers in standard form for the following expansions. First one, 8 into 10 power 4 plus 7 into 10 power 3 plus 6 into 10 power 2 plus 5 into 10 power 1 plus 2 into 1 plus 4 into 10 power minus 2 plus 7 into 10 power minus 4. Solution, the given expansions 8 into 10 power 4 plus 7 into 10 power 3 plus 6 into 10 power 2 plus 5 into 10 power 1 plus 2 into 1 plus 4 into 10 to the power minus 2 plus 7 into 10 power minus 4. That is equal to 8 into 10 power 4 value 10,000 plus 7 into 10 cube is equal to 1000 plus 6 into 100 square is equal to 100. So 10 square is equal to 100 plus 5 into 10 power 1 is equal to 10 plus 2 into 1 is equal to 2 plus 4 by 10 power minus 2 base value divided by 10 power 2 plus 7 by 10 power 4. That is equal to 8 into 10,000 80,000 plus 7 into 1,000 7,000 plus 6 into 100 600 plus 5 into 10 50 plus 2 plus 4 by 100 100 10 square is equal to 100 4 by 100 plus 7 by 10 power 4 value 10,000. That is equal to add 87,652.0407. Okay, right. Next question, 10th one. Write the following numbers in scientific notation. Scientific notation. First question, 46,780 crores. 46,780 crores. Solution, this number 46,780 crores is equal to decimal number is this place. Decimal number is this. Decimal point move from this place. This 6, 4 and 6 middle. Okay. Scientific notation, one whole number remaining decimal parts. Okay. Answer is 4 point. How many digits bring left? 4.678 into 10 to the power 11 numbers. Move from left side, move decimal point, move from left side 11 digits. That is equal to answer is 4.678 into 10 to the power 11. Okay. Next. Second question, 0.000001972. Solution, the given numbers is equal to, answer is decimal point move from right side. Now power numbers negative. Now 1.972 into 10 to the power minus 6. 6 digit move from decimal point, 6 digit move from right side. Okay, answer is 1.972 into 10 to the power minus 6. Okay, right. Next, objective type questions. Question number 11. By what number should minus 4 power minus 1 be multiplied so that the product becomes 10 power minus 1. Solution: minus 1 by 4 multiplied by minus 2 by 5 is equal to 1 by 10. Okay, simplify. 2 1 time, 2 time, remaining 1 into 1 divided by 2 5s are 10, that is equal to 1 by 10. Now 10 power minus 1. Okay, right. Our answer is minus 2 by 5. Okay, next 12th question. Minus 2 power minus 3 into minus 2 power minus 2 is equal to dash. Base equal, base same, minus 2 power add. This is formula: a power m into a power n value, n formula. Okay, that is equal to a power m plus n, m plus n. Okay, right. Now minus 2 power minus 3 minus 2, that is equal to minus 2 power add minus 3 minus 2 is equal to minus 5. 2 power minus 5, that is equal to minus 1 by this formula plus 2 power 5, that is equal to 2 power 5 value, 2 power this 2 power 5 value 2 power 5 value is equal to 32. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to 32. Okay, the answer is 1 by minus 2 power 5 value 32. Okay, right. Answer is for A options. Okay, right. Next, which is not correct? Which is not correct? Minus 1 by 4 the whole square is equal to 16 power minus 1, that is equal to minus 1 square 1 by 4 square 2 is equal to this formula base 1 by 16 power 1, that is equal to same, sign different. Okay, this is not correct. Next one, fourth one, if 10 power x by 10 power minus 3 is equal to 10 power 9, then x is dash. Solution: the given equation 10 power x into 10 power minus 3 same base. This is using formula a power m into a power m divided by a power n is equal to a power m into a power minus n formula. Okay, right. 10 power x into 10 power plus 3 is equal to 10 power 9, that is equal to, next steps, 10 power add, base same, 10 power x plus 3 is equal to 10 power 9, base equal, now sorry, so power equal. Now x plus 3 is equal to 9, x is equal to 9 plus 3, bring the right side, minus 3, sign change, minus 3, that is equal to 6. Therefore x is equal to 6. Option C option is correct. Next, 15th questions. 0.00000002020 in scientific form for is dash. Solution given numbers 0.00000002020 is equal to scientific form is one whole number remaining decimal part into 10 to the power anyone. Okay, answer is decimal point move from right side 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, now answer is 2.020 into 10 to the power minus 10. Okay, right, that is equal to 2.02 into 10 to the power minus 10. Okay, options D. Okay sir, next homework exercise 1.6 question number sum numbers 7 Roman second question, 8th Roman second question, 9th Roman second and third, 10th Roman third and fourth. Okay, right.